In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics dashboard. If you've ever wanted to visualize and manage your data in a more dynamic way, using a dashboard is one of the best strategies you can employ. Let's delve right in and craft a dashboard that suits your analytical needs. First, we'll head over to GA4, which stands for Google Analytics 4. Once you're there, navigate to the Reports section. You'll notice in the Reports section there's a library option. Click on that, and this is where our journey begins. The library is essentially the place where you can create or organize your reports according to what insights you need to glean. Our next move is to create a new report. Look for and select the option that says Create New Report. Here, we'll be specifically choosing the Overview Report option. This is crucial as it serves as a foundation for our dashboard-style view. What this does is lay the groundwork for a comprehensive yet customizable perspective on your data. Now let's populate this report with different cards. In the context of Google Analytics, cards are essentially the data visualization tools you'll be using on your dashboard. You can include up to 16 different cards. When crafting these cards, you have a variety of options like tables for detailed data analysis, bar charts for a quick visual reference, maps to understand geographic data, and scorecards for monitoring critical metrics instantly. Each card type serves a specific purpose, enabling you to view and interact with your data seamlessly. Once you've selected your cards, you might want to reorganize them to best fit your needs. It's incredibly easy to reorder these cards using the drag and drop feature. Simply click on the card you wish to move and drag it to your preferred position. This helps in prioritizing your most critical data insights prominently and creating a logical flow of information. It's all about tailoring the dashboard to suit the narrative you wish to construct from your data insights. After you've carefully crafted and organized your dashboard, the next step is crucial: saving and publishing your report collection. By doing this, the dashboard will not just be saved as a draft. Instead, it'll appear directly in your left side navigation panel in GA4. This makes it readily accessible anytime you need to check back on your data insights or when you simply need to update the dashboard with newer data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Analytics dashboard that's tailored just for you. This dashboard is now a tool ready to help analyze your data more effectively, providing a structured and visually insightful representation that can easily be referred to whenever necessary. Happy analyzing, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering Google Analytics.